have our MS1030VL Bella Kids scarf. The monogram goes here, centered on the wearer's left side, 2 inches up from the pom-pom. You will need 2 sheets of tearaway stabilizer underneath and 1 sheet of solvay on the top. Slide the scarf, backing and solvay onto a 4.5-inch slimline clamp frame, being sure not to stretch the fabric too much with the pom-pom out to the left. Rotate your monogram 90 degrees. Use our custom centering jig to confirm center. Trace the sewing area to ensure your monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. We use Groats-Beckert RG type needles and we think they are the best on the market. These needles reduced our thread breaks by 49% and allow us to go from sewing knit scarves to canvas bags to leather purses without ever changing needles. Our water-soluble topping is designed to enhance embroidery on the top side of fabrics. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. When your sew is complete, remove the product from the frame and tear away the backing and solvay. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.